A very good morning, my dear students, and welcome to Digital World of Patania Public School. But in previous video, we learned about the dictionary, what is dictionary, and how to create a dictionary. Today in this video, we start our dictionary, continue our dictionary, and here we learn about the characteristics of a dictionary. What are the main characteristics of a dictionary? Dictionary, like list, are mutable and is the only similarity they have with list. Otherwise, dictionary have different types of data structure with the following characteristics. First is unordered set. In a dictionary, no particular sequence is there. Unordered set of key and values are there. Its value can be contain reference to any type of object, and you can tell the order or position according to the key and the values. No indexing is associated with the uh, dictionary. So next is your note a sequence. Yes, same like that. Like a string, list, tuple. A dictionary is not a particular sequence. You can write down your keys and value according to you. No limitations. You have first write down 1 2 3 4. No, this type of no limitations is here, because dictionary is your unordered set of elements. The sequence are indexed by a range of ordinal number, hence they are ordered, but a dictionary is an unordered collection. Next, the characteristics of dictionary is indexed by keys, not number. Here, no indexing is there. If you want to find out the indexing of the any particular item or the value, then you write down the keys. So, according to keys, indexing is there, but numbering indexing, like you are 1 2 3 4, and the negative indexing -1 -2 -3 -4. These type of indexing not available in this dictionary here. Okay, and one more here. You can write down any dictionary, like you can write down dictionary, then first you write down the keys and then write down the values. For example, I want to input the number of the Rahul, then I have declared a name dictionary, and then I have declared first Rahul and then colon and then write down the number of the Rahul. Next is key must be unique. No two keys are similar in the dictionary. Every key in the dictionary is unique. Uniquely, you can add, declare, or define all the keys in the dictionary. Since keys are used to identify values in a dictionary, there cannot be duplicate keys in a dictionary. However, two unique keys can have same value. Consider the same word count dictionary declared above. So you can write down the same value in a two keys, but two keys are not similar. So this is the all keys are unique in the dictionary. Like you have declared here, bird count. So finch 10, manna 13, parakeet 16, hornbill 15, peacock 15. So 15 and 15, here two values are similar, 15 and 15, but you see all keys are different. No two keys are similar to anyone. So notice that two different keys, hornbill and peacock, have same value 15. Next is dictionaries are mutable, and we have already learned about the what is mutable and what is the non-immutable. But here, like list, dictionary are also mutable. We can change the value of certain key in place using assignment of statement. As per, you write down the equal sign and then you can write down the values here. So very simple is here. You can just write down dictionary, then write down the which key you want to display here, and then you write down the equal sign and then you write down the value. So, for example, consider the dictionary Dix1. Here you see dictionary 1, 3. Value of a string as a key. So, you can see here 3 change to a new string. So, this value will be changed with the new string. Change to a new string. Text will be written in your three dictionary, number third dictionary. So you can add a new key or a new value. You can update any value here, no problem is there. And if you have already created a one dictionary and you want to input any other value between the dictionary, you can do it, no problem is there. And next characteristics of dictionary is internally stored as a mapping. Internally stored as a mapping. Internally, the key value pairs of a dictionary are associated with one another with some internal function called hash function. This way of linking is called mapping. So better do the program, this program in your computer system and see the outputs of this program. And now the very important part starting here, working with dictionary, how you create a dictionary, how you uh, assign the value to a dictionary. So dictionary, in dictionary you can add element or you can update or delete element from the dictionary. So here we are discussing about the multiple ways of creating a dictionary. So many ways of creating the dictionary is there. For example, we have take one example here. For example, if we want to create the dictionary, just write down, open your Python first and click on Python 3.7 we have used there and click on the ideally. And after that you can write down here, for example my dictionary name is D, so write down equal sign and then you start the curly braces. Here always dictionary will be defined in the curly braces. After that you define the key. So for example my keys are the name of the student. Okay, then I have defined here, for example my name is, here we have written Rahul, and then we define here the value, and the value is our, for example we have want to define here 30. Okay, and then close the curly braces here. Now you click on the D, so it will be displayed here. But if you want to display the indexing, like indexing, so here Rahul is work as a indexing here, so you write down D and then bracket, yeah, here you write down square bracket and just write down Rahul here. The value of the Rahul will be displayed. Sorry, the semicolon is added extra here, so you again write down Rahul and then you close it. Again error is there. What is the error here? Again check it beta. Rar is capital. Okay, Rahul, Rahul. What is the error? D and Rahul define here. Again value is there. What is the happened here? C beta D Rahul and then close the bracket and now C. So when you write down the key here, value always will be displayed here. But if you want to add more, if you want to add the more element in the existing dictionary, then you can do it, no problem. He is here. How you do it? Okay. So first we are discussing here multiple ways of creating dictionaries. Then we do the next part, how you can add the multiple values existing dictionary, how you add the element. So initializing a dictionary, how you initialize, we have already done the example. Just write down again, do one example here. Open your here and just you write down a dictionary name, like I have written here the name of the dictionary is name. Okay, and then equal to sign and then curly braces and then you write down between the quotes, you write down here any name, or if you want to change that, for example we have written here months. Okay, so you can take the dictionary name months here, month is equal to then curly braces and Jan, for example we have written here and I have written here 31, and after that close the curly braces here. Or if you want to define the multiple, then you write down here Feb and then you write down colon, and in colon 28, we have written here 28, maybe 29 also. But again, if we want to write down the March here, so you write down March, but in a single quote or a multiple, you can say inverted comma or write down colon. Then again your 31 is here, and then you can close the curly braces. And now if you want to write down month, so it display your complete dictionary here. Jan, Feb, March, these are the keys, and 31, 28, and 31, these are the values. And you, if for example, if you want to display the value of the Feb, then how you do it? Just write down month month. Better write down the variable name same, write down the dictionary name same as it is that you have declared here. So you have written here same, write down here. For example, I have written here a small Rahul, I have written here the semicolon, I have missed the colon, then these type of error will be displayed on your screen. Okay, so we have write down here month, and then see here month, then you write down the square bracket, and I want to display the element of Feb, then you write down in this way. So you see here 28 will be displayed. So these are the your dictionary, how to initialize the values to a dictionary particular. So next is you are adding key value pairs to an empty dictionary. So here you can see, to create an empty dictionary, you create it, just write down the dictionary name, for example employees, and just brackets, don't write down the elements here. By using dictionary constructor, dict, constructor is the same as it is that you have defined in the dictionary name. So dictionary constructor is a function that are work with the dictionary. So employees is equal to here we have defined dictionary function, so it is a constructor. So you can also define this like also. And next step is to add key value pairs one at a time. If you have want to add the adjoining statement, we have first adding a key and value pair, and then next statement adds. For example, you see here we have written employee, employee the dictionary name, here we write down name, then is equal to John. Then again we have write down the same dictionary name, then salary, then 10,000, then again same dictionary name, then age, and then 24. So these type we have also written here. This method of creating dictionary is also to create dictionary dynamically at runtime. The next way to create the dictionary is creating a dictionary from name and values pairs. From name and values pair. So using DICT is the name of the dictionary constructor, name of the function. The DICT work as a function, built-in function is there of dictionary. You can also create a new dictionary initialized from specified set of keys and values. There are multiple ways to provide keys and values to a dictionary constructor. So specifying key, how you specify it, just you write down here value pair as keyword argument to dictionary function, keys as argument, and values their argument is there. Just write down the dictionary name, then you write down dict function, and then you define here. And you see here, if you want to change the write down here name, you want to write down the name in the last and dictionary salary in the starting, then how you can define it? Just change it. Python automatically convert argument name to string type keys. So if you write down in this way, so it can change the your name and these on the string, and string always written in the quotes and the inverted commas. Specifying comma, and always you can specify with the comma values, like always separate with the comma. To give key value pairs in this format, you need to enclose them in curly braces as shown, and specify keys separately and corresponding values separately. Here you define different types, like here we write down dictionary name, here IDICT function constructor is used here, and then zip is a function name, so we use here zip, and zip combine all they are together. And here we first define all the keys here. You see Here we define the keys, and here we define all the value and element. You can also define in this way also, but with the help of dict function, and this is your constructor. So first group contains all the keys and the second group contain all the values as the same order, but in the same order. If you have defined name here, so first you write down the name. If you define in the second number salary, so you define the salary here, and here you can write down the age, so you can input the age here. The zip function, what is the zip function here? The zip function clubs first value from first set with the first value of second set, and the second value from the first set with the second value of the second set, and so on. For example, in above example, name is dubbed with the John, salary with 10,000, and age with 24. So using these clubbed values, the dict constructor method creates key value pairs for the dictionary. Key are unique within a dictionary, while values may not be. So always your keys are the different and the separately you can write them in this way. Specifying key, how you specify the key? Value pairs separately in form of sequence. In this method, one list or tuple argument is passed to dictionary. The argument pass list or tuple contain list and tuple individual key and value pairs here. That is a key value pair is specified in the form of a list, and there are many lists as shown order in this way. Okay, you can define in this way. You have defined one list here, second list, and third list in the dictionary function. So you can define in this way also. So these all are the method to define the dictionary in different methods. So this is the one program here. Write a program to create a dictionary, namely numbers from the following two lists. So two lists are there, keys and values. With two keys we have defined the numbers and the name. Okay, so you can see here, first we define the we understand with the help of practical. So you see here, first we have take one name here, keys, and we have defined the list. This is the list, don't be confused here. This is a list, so we define the list 1 2 3. Okay, after that we have taken the values 1 comma 2 comma 3. So we have defined the keys list, and second we define the values list. Okay, after that we have take the one variable here, the name is num, and in num we have used the dict constructor, and constructor means your function that works same as a dictionary. So then you can use the zip will combine here keys and values. So you don't now write down all the keys and value again and again here. After that, just print the keys and values. We want to display uh, keys and values, and then we want the display message dictionary created by these list is, and then display the numbers, and in numbers your keys and values are there. So how it is output is there, so you define it. So you see here, given two list are 1 2 3, we have already defined this, and then second is your 1 2 3, and then display the dictionary created with these lists. Now you see, one is the key, ONE1, TWO2, THREE3. So these are the keys and values 1 2 3 all combined together in a single dictionary here. So this is the example, you do the practical of this. Adding element to a dictionary. If you have already write down a dictionary, so how you can add any other element in the dictionary? You can add new element key. You write down the key and value pair to a dictionary using assignment as per following syntax, but the key being added must not exist in dictionary and must be unique. So you can write down only that type of value or keys that are not already present in the dictionary. If the key already exists, then this statement will change the value of existing key and no new entry will be added to the dictionary. So it replaces the already written keys if you have write down the same name of the dictionary. So you just define dictionary and then key and then value. So you how you define it, just write down the name, then you can define another, and then equal to, and then you can define it. So for example, how you do it, and we take one example here. So we have taken here, for example, here we have want to enter the next month. So you just write down month month, and in month we want to write down here April. So you write down April, April, and then you can quote, then bracket close, then equal to sign, and here you write down April 30. So you write down 30 here. So now if you want to display the month, so you see April is added here. And for example, if you want to add May, then you write down May, May here, and in May the months are 31, so you write down here 31. So now if you write down here, so you see May is also included here. So this is the way that you can add element to a dictionary. So this is the practical of adding element in the dictionary. Do the practical of this in your computer system and see the output of this. And now next is your nesting dictionary. Nesting means when you have defined dictionary between the dictionary. You can even add dictionary as values inside a dictionary, and dictionary. So storing a dictionary inside another dictionary is called storing a dictionary inside another dictionary is called nesting of dictionary. But one thing you must know about nesting of dictionary is that you can store a dictionary as a value only inside a dictionary. You cannot have a key of dictionary type. You know the reason only immutable type can form the keys of a dictionary. So you see here how you do it. A dictionary contains details of two workers with their names and key and other detail in the form of the dictionary. So write a program to print the worker inform in the record format. So see, we have defined here employees name dictionary. So here John is there. Then write down the colon. Then age, salary, two keys are there, and these are the values. Then second is here Dia, and Dia, again we define the age and salary and this one. So this is your nested dictionary, nesting of dictionary. Updating and modifying existing element in a dictionary. If we have already written any value in the dictionary, then how you can change it? Updating an element is similar to what we did just now. That is, you can change value of an existing key using assignment as for following syntax. Just write down dictionary, then write down the key is equal to value. So already existing value will be replaced with the new one. In dictionary, the updation and addition of element are similar in syntax, but for addition, the key must not exist in the dictionary, and for updating, the key must existing in the dictionary. Okay, so if you want to add the new one, then don't change the already exist value. But if you want to change it, then you can change with the existing value. Only that is the difference between the adding new value and change or update the value existing in that dictionary. So now how you delete element from a dictionary. If you want to remove any element from the dictionary, then how you do it, what is the method for this? For deleting element from a dictionary, you can use either del statement or pop item functions. So you can use del statement, or you can use pop function, or you can use pop item function. Out of three you can use any one. Here we are talking about the del statement, and we shall talk about the pop and pop item function later. So delete a dictionary element. We want to delete any element from the dictionary or a dictionary entry that is a key and value pair. So what is the dictionary entry? Key and value pair. So if you want to remove any particular key and value, or if you want to remove any value from the dictionary, you can use del command. So you can just write down del, and then you can write down dictionary name, and then you define the key. Okay, and if you want to write down any other, so if we do the practical of this, so how you do it? So let's do the practical if possible here. Okay, so write down del month, and here you define like this del, then the dictionary name, and then you write down the key name here. So the key name is our, you can write down, yes, so key name is our, for example, we want to remove the May, so you can write down here May, and that's it. After that, again display the month. You see May is not available here. Another is, for example, we want to remove the March. So you can write down del space, then write down the dictionary name here, then your square bracket, then you write down here March, then colon close, then bracket close, and now you see the output. March is not available in your dictionary. Okay, so this is the method how you delete any element from the um, dictionary. And but with del statement, the key that you are giving to delete must exist in the dictionary, otherwise Python raises exception key error. Yes, present presentation of this element or key is very important if you want to remove it. So if you just give the dictionary name along with the del without any key, del dictionary. So if you want to write down here, see one more thing here. If we have written here del month, so what happened? We have write here del month. Now you write down month here. So you see we have delete complete dictionary. Just write down the del and then write down the dictionary name. So if you now if you want to print the month, note will be displayed here because already deleted. So month is not defined here. This message will be displayed as a error. So checking for existing of a key. So now how you check for existence of a key? Usual membership operator, in and not in operator. We already know about the in and not in operator. So if element or key is the part of the dictionary, then you write down the in operator and it display the true answer. But if not the part of your dictionary, then it display the not in the true answer. So this is the true and display always true and false answer. Age in emp1, yes, age is here, so it display the true answer. John in emp1, yes, John is here, so it display the what is it right here, emp1, so it write down the here false. Why? Because only you write down the keys here, don't write down the value here. So if you write down the name, then its answer is true, but if you have write down the John, so its value is false. But if you write down not in here, then its answer is true. And if you write down the age not in the emp1, then its answer is false. So please remember that the operators in and not in do not apply on values of a dictionary, not apply on the values of dictionary. It only apply on the keys of the dictionary. So if you use them with dictionary name directly, that is if you search for something with in or not in operator with a dictionary, it will only look for in the keys of the dictionary and not values. Like you have defined here dictionary 1, here we define age 25, name xyz, salary this point. So name in dictionary, yes, name is available. But if you write down here xy is in dct, no, this is not available because only key you can write down here. So you do the practical of this, better do the program 13.11 in your system and see the output. And if any problem is there, discuss with me in the Zoom class or in WhatsApp number anywhere. And now next is your pretty printing a dictionary. Pretty printing a dictionary. We learn about this in the next video. for today's video. Thank you so much for